Mm. Mm. Chat. So, Tartarus, right? See? Why is this here? What happened to Squish Step? Because I don't have Geode, so. I don't know how everybody on Earth has Geode except for me. Boy. Root beer, yeah! Yay! Backflip? Oh, backflip's like 50 Canadian. I cannot handle a backflip right now. You gotta do 50 for that. Cause, whoo, I'm cooked. But everybody, W in chat for J Bush. J Bush, was it? J Bush. Kabooey. Kablooey. What is this?
This is not how you're supposed to play the game.
Oh, yes. Oh, I hate that death. It's one that's very hard to work with. Stardust the goat.
Cartoonist Gamma Official just gave Squishyman 100 grades. Version available right now. Click the GitHub link and download the installer.
Okay, so I downloaded the installer yesterday. Right. No, I didn't. Okay, well, we can call if we want to figure this out. Geode launcher? Is that what? Nope, not Android, not Android. Geode launcher. See, it says in brackets 2. That means I have 3 of them. But then it says open the APK file. I'm just calling you. Is young laddie awake? Awake. Is young laddie awake? Okay, he was on like 30 minutes ago. Whatever. I'll figure it out. If we go to no, why don't I just search up Geode installer? Yeah. Geode installer. I agree. Next. Install. Ignore. Now that is how it's done. Yeah, it's fine. I'm not downloading a virus. You're in the slander vid. You are. You got the best slander. What is facts? Now clearly, chat, we're gonna have it. Well, I don't know. Does that work for all of you? Is that just how it works for you guys? Why does this feel like stream 13? Who? Well, not only do I not have Geode, but I'm getting literal lag spikes every single second. Hello? Hello? I feel like it's because of what I just did. Because I downloaded 2 Geodes. I feel like that might be the cause. But I also have 2 Geodes. Chat, are you gonna play from 0? Once I get Geode, honestly, like, it is just a waste of attempts if I'm... Like, I don't care too much about attempts, but it would be a waste of time if I were to go from 0. Because, well... Okay, whatever I did, I wish I didn't do it. The whole Geode installer thing. Oh, that's something. Can I uninstall? What am I looking at right now? What? Is that not how it works? Steam apps. Can I not just search up Steam apps? If I go here. No, it's just like... Then I go back a little bit. What am I doing? What am I doing? Honestly, all I'm trying to do is uninstall effect I downloaded. Freaking... I messed something up. The thing is, here's kind of the cycle here. I want to get Geode, so I do a very shallow search for Geode. Then someone says, you can do it. And then I'm like, okay, I can do it. How do I do it? They say, Geode installer or something. So I open up my Geode installer. Absolutely nothing changes. And people are saying, and then people are saying nothing about the fact that it isn't working, but just like, you can do it. It is possible to download Geode. How do I download Geode? Geode installer. Okay. Like, okay. Yeah, I'm cooked. 95% of YouTubers right now have Geode. And I just don't. Everybody has it. How? Yes, exactly. How? How does everyone have Geode? Does anybody know how everybody... Squishy Man, if I actually get it, I can explain it to you. I mean... Because the thing is, you can go to a live stream and they have it, so it isn't like old clips. Downgrade versions, I also want to figure out how to do that. If I were to search it up, how to downgrade versions, if I even put it in, like, Downgrade. I'm putting in freaking commas. Steam version. It still ends up with upgrade. That's what happens to me. Okay, let's see. Steam console. What? I'm a visual learner, chat. I'm a visual learner. We're going here. I've never seen this before.
G'day everyone, Taylor MB here.
Yeah, shut the hell up. Sorry.
Record these. It's virtual game and record this app ID for later use. It's virtual game and record this app ID for later use. Scroll down to depots or click on the link in the sidebar. Search for the depot that appears to have actual content for the game. In Bannerlord's case.
Alright, chat. Chat, we're gonna cook.
The underscore outer underscore limits one just gave Squishyman 20 grades. Yes, yes, hello 77 Trigentillion 777 Duo Trigentillion 777 Un Trigentillion 777.
Okay, I'm gonna just keep going.
777 Novum Gentillion 777 October Gentillion 777 Sept Vigantillion 777 Sex Vigantillion 777 Quinvigintillion 777 Quarter Vigantillion 777.
He said where? We have to do this, chat.
different depots, as some of the
Oh, we're only at freaking Vigintillion, bro. Up here. 2.206. Does it say that specifically?
777 sex decillion 777 quindecillion 700.
So I do not recognize any of these. Geometry Dash. Download Geometry Dash. Yep. Yeah, well, I'm cooked, chat. Literally, you guys don't get to see Tartarus until I rather figure out that it isn't possible. And every YouTuber just has it because they decided not to upgrade their game in the first place. Wait, is that possible? I don't know. Or we figure it out. No. I haven't. I can't.
Yes, yes. 777
I don't have that. Geometry Dash. Okay.
for a reason I don't specifically know. Record these in the sidebar, click for later use.
Why is it 360p? What is? This is not right. This isn't.
On the sidebar, click on manifest.
I can't see it because it's set at 720p and it is not 720p. I don't know what to do, bro. We can't play Tartarus. You guys can help or leave the stream. I don't know. We can't play Tartarus. That's not an option.
On the side, IDs for later
Deposits.
for use, and then click on the depot ID.
Okay, so we're clicking on Geometry Dash. Windows. Oh yeah. Manifest did he do?
On the sidebar, click on manifest. Depending how old the version is you want to download, you might now have to sign in to Steam database to see that far back, as it only
Oh, it's over. Nice. this thing. I don't have it on NordVPN. That is so annoying. Now we have to figure out the craziest quadruple factor authentication thingy. I swear I've had to do this process 500 times in my life with NordVPN on. I don't know how this is a thing. How is this even a thing? How? No, I'm never logged in. And it forgets my password, forgets that I exist every time. Okay, I can use the Steam mobile app at least. So just like I try to fix one thing, but I find an issue trying to figure that out.
I don't see an app called
Shut the hell up. You need to die, you stupid Apple Watch. Rah! No way. The layers. It's like trying to figure out the meaning of something, and it uses a word you don't mean, trying to say the meaning, so you figure out the meaning of that and repeat. That's what this feels like. Now my password doesn't work on here. This is the fourth layer of issues. I need help signing in. No, I didn't forget any of these. None of these are issues. Sign in, please. Please. I don't have time for this. Just leave the stream, everybody. That's all you can do. But I still need to sign into... I don't know my Steam password. Steam forgot me. Steam simply forgot me. On everything. It forgot me on everything. Like, this happened right now. Because I just did this a month ago. Why am I signed out on everything? I can't look at chat right now because this is something I don't need help with. I'm just signing into my account. Just that, like, the account sucks. What do you mean? I don't have ones for Steam. I vividly remember using it. It's not correct. It's not even correct. It is literally not correct. I need help signing in. I wish I didn't have to. I don't want to change my entire password again. Guys, I think I reached the 5th layer of issues. Issues that rely on issues that rely on issues. This time, hear me on this one. Self-recovery is not available for this account because additional security verification is required. Now I need to contact Steam support and wait hours upon hours for their support. I'm not allowed to sign into Steam now. I'm not allowed to sign into Steam. It's not an option. I'm not allowed to sign into Steam. I'm not allowed to sign into Steam. I'm not allowed to sign into Steam. I can't sign into the app. I can't sign into the website. I'm signed in on one thing, but I can't sign into anything else. Why does this never happen to anybody else? The specific bot that sends me Steam authenticator codes has sent me literally like 30 different messages throughout my life. I don't want to reset my password. I just want to do the same. Okay.
Antoni Tarqui 25 is now a radical dog.
You serious? No, I want NordVPN to remember it though. It's just not doing its job. NordVPN is simply not doing their job. Okay. No, you literally can't say that the password I just made. Guess what, chat? Now that I changed my password to something else, now it's telling me the old password. Wait, no. That's like a troll how it's telling me now but wasn't telling me before I changed the password. Is this a troll? Hello? It's changing. It is literally changing. I can't believe it. It is changing in front of my eyes. It is remembering and not telling me things. Like, this doesn't exist, but now it's telling me it used to exist, but you changed it. So now I'll tell you, but it isn't useful anymore. Because now you changed it. No, I don't have an issue. Steam. So I have, apparently it saves my password on Steam support for Steam, but not my password for Steam, like the website. Explain that. Okay, progress. Slight progress. Now I think this is stuff I can show again. I'm assuming, considering this is 5 months ago, this is going to be 2.206. It's not allowed to tell you, of course. That would be too useful. So it won't tell you. I'm going to assume, yeah, June 1st probably when it came out. So this is probably the one I want. I'm not allowed to download this, am I?
Records the first 20 or so by default. To find the correct manifest ID can be a little bit tricky, as this list will include all the beta or test versions of update. To find my correct manifest, find ID for later. Step 2. Now we have all the appropriate information from Steam, it's time to download an open source depot downloader from GitHub. Link number 2 in description.
Yay! Depot downloader. Yes, cool. I'm not a GitHub user, so okay, here. I download it from here. Download framework. Can I just download? I don't. Okay, cool. I know what the assets are. How do I download this? Yes, click on this. I'm not trying to compare anything. I just want to download it. Here we go. GitHub users. How the hell does this work? Do I just download the framework? Does that mean I downloaded it? Did I download this thing by downloading one random one of these? Oh, Windows. Windows. Oh yeah, sorry. I thought these were different, like, pieces of the thing without downloading the full thing. Okay. Let's get this. What else does this radical dude say?
To the latest releases.
Yeah, shut the hell up. Sorry. That was rude.
Once downloaded, cut the zip to any location on your computer and extract all. Step 2.5.
Yeah, let's extract it here.
You may or may not require this step for your computer. It was listed as a requirement for Depot Downloader to work by the GitHub contributors.
Definitely not a virus. Don't destroy my computer.
I already had a Windows program.
Please. Are you telling me that there's a sixth layer of issues where now, like, download... Okay, hold on. So you're telling me this is where it starts working for him.
So for simplicity's sake, work by the GitHub latest releases, and now it's finally time to begin the download.
Is this how difficult it is to download an earlier version of the game? This is insane, though. Okay, so I am not allowed to get past this.
Use this any location on your computer and extract all. Step 2.
I hate when they just cut away and don't actually show you the downloading part, where most likely the majority of issues comes up.
Optional. You may or may not require in the download. Open up your start menu and search CMD to open up the prompt. Start with a quotation mark and then copy and paste the address where you unzipped the Depot Downloader to, include in the file name and the
No, that's not
extension
right.
into command prompt. Finish with another quotation mark. Should look similar to...
Okay, alright, shut up. Hold on, chat. Then I gotta do the part, the feature. Okay. So basically, I just had to Aiden, don't do that. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, that's funny. Literally almost. So it's like, what's going on is, I'm 90% done, and then I'm gonna do the final step, 91% done. And then I fix that, so then I try again, 91.1% done. And then it's like it's slowing down. And then it starts going backwards. It's like, actually, there's something that I didn't consider. 80% done. Alright, chat. So basically, I leaked my password twice. So I leaked my password once, then I had to reset it. That's why I went here, and then I copy pasted my password again. So I had to change it again. That's why I was laughing, because I did it right after I fixed it. Okay. So let's see what the hell he's talking about. Okay, where did I put it? Where did I extract it?
For now, all you've done is tell command prompt what program it's going to run, but provided no parameters to the program, so it knows what to do. This is where the app, depot, and manifests ID come into play. Follow the same format that is on screen, just replace the IDs with the appropriate ones from your game.
Okay, and hopefully I didn't lose it somewhere. This is the one I clicked on. Hold on, manifests. This one, this is the one I'm interested in. Okay. So. Alright, chat. I'm gonna close this because I don't need that anymore.
That is on screen, just replace the...
Just freaking... Do I have to write that out? Depot, downloader. Even if I don't have to, it gets the message across. And 2 spaces and a hyphen. App. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Okay, just because that hyphen is way bigger than whatever the hell they have. Alright, chat. Closing 5 tabs worth. Like, this is just how it is for every single computer related thing I do. This is just how it is. I was trying to install Java. I had a computer expert on the call on Discord. It took us 4 hours to install a new Java version.
The IDs with
Okay, so we have app. Alright, we have app. Then we go here. What are you talking about? Oh, it's not cooked. I think. Tuesday. Well, no, I don't look at what he has. How am I going to do that? Is that the build ID? Is that what app ID is? Because I don't see any app ID here. That isn't really a thing, so. Is this what everybody does? Are all of you doing this literally casually? And all of you know what I'm doing right now? It's like, yep, oh, I did that the other day within 5 minutes. Oh yeah, that thing. Very simple. Like, do you guys just all know? And is this like what everybody did to get 2.206? Go into command prompt and put in all these IDs. It's just that one of them is missing that he has. So I'm probably looking in the wrong place. Now I have to go back
to the release date on the Steam database list. Save this manifest ID for later. Step 2. Now we have all the once downloaded. Cut the zip to any location on your computer.
Did that.
Extract all. Step 2.5. Optional. Step 4. You now have download. Open prompt. Start with a quotation mark, and then copy and paste the address of where you unzipped a depot.
Okay, so I did that.
Downloader 2. Include in the file name and the extension into command prompt. Finish with another quotation mark. Should look similar to as is on screen now. For now, all you've done is tell command prompt what program.
No, what do you mean? 95% of people have CBF, therefore they have 2.206.
It's going to run, but provided no parameters to the program.
Or maybe they do have 2.207 and they have Geode on 2.207. I just can't tell because everybody says, I think it's on 2.207. Everybody says that.
So it knows what to do.
I just don't know.
This is where the app, depot, and manifests ID come into play. Follow the same format.
Okay, I don't have... Okay, so I have the depot ID. I have the build ID. It doesn't talk about that. I don't have the app ID. Manifest ID. What is the... Oh, manifest, like this thing. I have the manifest ID. I don't have the app ID. Is the app ID something to do with Geometry Dash? Is it the application? Is this the application? I'll never figure out what, yo, what's up here? Okay, so I'll never figure out what app ID means. Forgot I had a chat of 40 people that probably do know what it means. I mean, I could ask you guys, but I feel like I'm going to get mixed answers and I'm going to confuse myself even more. There's a reason, right? That I don't ask chat a whole bunch. Okay, so he has this special thing called app ID. And I have the depot ID. I don't know what a build ID is. Maybe that's what he's talking about. What if I act like that is... No, but his is like 6. Yeah, his is 6. So I have the depot. Maybe I don't need the app ID. Chat, do you guys know what an app ID is? Let's start new chain. Fingers, chain, fingers. Yellow block. Talking about broken signal. Speaking, fingers. Bro's gonna get flagged for fingers. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I'm just not gonna look at chat. Okay, let's take a look at what he has. Okay, app. Nope, that's update mod. What even is that? Just grab the ID. Build ID. Is that what he's talking about? This is the thing. Nope, it's app and then depot, which is literally maybe oh, there's a depot downloader right here. Whatever. Steam console, that's an option. No, this is for depot downloader. Yeah, whatever, shut up. So in his thing, something I did notice is that his app is like one less than his depot ID. So I feel like there's a correlation there and I should do the same thing. If I make this 0, and I copy this, then I do dash depot. Chad said, of course it is. Manifest. Now we're gonna copy this.
With the appropriate ones from your game, and also enter your Steam username and password. If your password has special characters, that will very likely break command prompt.
Are you freaking serious?
Remove that section from the code, and command prompt.
Oh, okay.
Will ask you for it later. Once you've entered everything accurately, press the enter.
I know damn well I didn't do it properly. Not recognized as an internal or external command. Right.
If you have two-factor authentication...
I didn't think it was gonna work. Of course it wasn't gonna work. This is why I only have access to half of the things you're allowed to do on a computer. This is specifically why. I have access to only half. All of this time could have been spent doing Tartarus, and I couldn't do it. I can't downgrade a game on Steam. That is literally the most embarrassing thing ever. That is insane. I can't downgrade a game on Steam. How bad can that be? Wow. Wow, that's like the thing that everybody does and everybody knows. You guys are just watching to see me try. You guys are just like... You all know how to do it properly, probably. Yes, there is no other account. not only does it punish me for trying to do something that I could have taken a guess I couldn't do. I should have taken the guess that I couldn't do it and then didn't try. Not only that, but also it's got to punish me for trying by throwing this type of stuff at me. Okay, so the password that I just made and changed isn't working. Okay. So not only did I try to do something, but it's gotta punish me by adding more issues just to get back to where I was before any of it started. Okay, yes, the Geode isn't working, I know. Can I uninstall Geode? This has to be so easy. This has to be easy. It can't do anything crazy like this, right? Am I allowed to uninstall Geode? Am I allowed to uninstall Geode? Okay. I got this. I got this. Chat, do you want to help me with this, or are people going to be saying the exact opposite of what's true? Or are you all going to be saying something different? Uninstalling Geode. So if I go to Geode Installer, okay, right off the bat, I agree, whatever, next. I can only install, I'm not allowed to uninstall stuff on Geode Installer. Can I just like grab this and go, can I go there? Can I like open up, is this, I don't know how, if this is how it works, but can I just like go to home and then search this up? Will it bring me to exactly that? It brings this thing, and I have no idea what this is. I don't know why it came up with that. No, what if I put it here? Geode Uninstaller. Okay, so there's a thing called Geode Uninstaller. Okay. Squishy, can you say hi, Jameson? I just did. Just cut it for when I said hi. Okay, so it's uninstalling Geode. I feel like randomly it's gonna say error. You're not allowed to do this because, I don't know. And then I search up the error code or something and it says this is an unsolved problem. Yeah, it's not moving. I have a feeling that it will stay like that. It will be stuck. Chad, do you agree they'll finish? Of course. Yeah, it's uninstalled. Of course, yeah, it's uninstalled. Yes, quit Geode setup. So it isn't going to give me that notice when I try to open the game, right? It won't. Now, I can play having gained absolutely nothing in that hour of pain. Well, I lost time, I can say that. And brain cells. I guess I'll just accept the fact that everybody has Geode. And I can't figure out how to also get Geode without somebody just telling me the first step and then ghosting me on the rest of the steps. I just won't install Geode. I think I'm making more progress on Tartarus trying to figure out how to get Geode so I can get CBF than if I were to just play Tartarus. Search Geode on Google. Go to GitHub releases. 4.0 beta install. Oh yeah, let's go guys. Geode. GD. Let's not go to the website but the GitHub, yeah. Let's go to 4.0. Let's go to 4.0. Okay, what am I looking at? 3.9.2 is the latest one. 4.0 is not a thing. That could be my answer, but I'm going to keep on looking. 4.2.0 beta. Alright. Let's go. Let's see if I can download this. Alright. Let's download it. Yep, let's do this, guys. We got this, chat. WinZip. Yup. You know me. That's how it's done. Alright. Geode. If I run it. Is this what I do? Chat, is this how it's done? Now what? What do I do with this? What do I download it? What do I do with this? Copy. Okay. Copy. The installer. Okay. Copy the installer. Okay. Geode installer. Wait. I don't want to open it. I want to copy it. Therefore, I'm not using it. Geode installer. Open file location. I still don't see it. Okay. How do I copy it? Download the installer. I have the installer. Boom. Look at this. This is the installer. Yep. Installer is right here, right in front of you guys. No. Download the new one. Okay, the new Geode installer. Alright. Where's the new Geode installer? Oh, this is the new Geode. Oh, okay. It is right here. 2 minutes ago. Awesome. Okay, chat, we got it. English. Next. I agree. Next. Yuppie. So you guys all know how to do this. Do I press install? Go. Yes, go in chat. This is harder than... Chat, do I press install? Do I press install? Yes. Let's see if it works. it works. There's no way. There's no way this is gonna work. Show details. Cool. I believe it'll download and it won't be like this forever. Oh. That's right here. Wait. If it takes this long, does this mean it's not going to do anything? Or is it going to... It works. I already got it. Thanks for letting me know. Wait for it. I'm waiting for it. Let me put away my dishes. You know. Oh, it's probably done. Alright guys, completed. I didn't know I could get my headset on with one hand. Finish. Okay. This can't work. Alright. Right now there's 158. Chic BF. Click. We have click after frames, but not click between frames. That's crazy. Alright. At least we have Mega Hack. I don't know if that does anything though. We have all these things. Oh, I thought I got a... Thought I got click between frames. Okay. Feel like they don't have Mega Hack yet, right? Yeah, Mega Hack, dead. Okay, they have the most. They have the useless ones. That's great. Yippee! No, okay, they don't have the use. They have mainly the useless ones. It's just that nobody had qual mod. Alright, I could get qual mod. Is there any other type? Is there any other click after? Alright, chat. Modtober, yeah, because it's October. Yeah, they don't have start position switcher. So they don't have, so basically, I have 12 mods in total. There are a total of 3 useful ones that I'm looking for. So I have 2/3 of them. That means out of my 12 mods, I have 8 of them. And I don't have 4 of them. And I have 3 useful mods in total. And all 3 of the useful mods I don't have. 3 out of 4 of the mods I don't have are the useful mods. So I don't have click between frames, I don't have mega hack or start position switcher. Wow. I only needed, ideally I would have this. Alright, chat. Search absolute story. Yeah, I could get that. You know, I'll just get qual mod. Qual mod. Is there a thing that has is there a mod that has one that has 1 million downloads yet? These are featured. Yes. Huh. You are, I think, you are now a radical dude. I think. Let's restart. We should do marbles. Die. Next stream should be CBF stream. I hope so. I wish. Oh, this is the second time I'm doing this. I get even more. Chat, I'm never beating thou level. I'm never beating thou level. Okay, we have qual mod. Okay, so press tab. Alright. Let's see what we got. Number 1. We got star position. Yep, we got that. Number 2. What is this? Best in percentage. Thing that might be good. Now we have a start position switcher. Nice. So 96 plus die. $833 equals. Okay. What am I doing? What am I doing? Chat. And wait. Squish step is back. Chat, this is all we needed. You are now a radical dude. Thank you for following, friend. I'll be following chat. Oh, chat. I'm not too concerned about those parts because, you know. Yeah, I'm not concerned about those deaths because it's heavily CBF affected. So, it is what it is. Wow, get Eclipse mod menu, just like Mega Hack. Qual mod sucks. Literally, I want one thing and it's doing that. I do want to. I haven't had my warm up in so long. I'm curious what it's like. Dude, this is so obnoxious the way this thing bounces in. Oh, this is. This is something. The delay. Oh, it's so cooked. Oh, I'm so cooked, chat. It almost feels like I'm trying to guess where to click. I wonder how little clicks, how little chat. Just had to hit every single spike. That was horrid. Okay, you know, maybe I just shouldn't. Maybe I just shouldn't. Can you guys not... Can you guys not argue in chat? Arguing is not very nice. We want to be nice to our peers. We were arguing? I don't know. You tell me. Da 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 da. Why is there so much tartar sauce? Tartar sauce. I want to check something. Chat, I just want to check the Pinecone leaderboards. Where's Radish Man? Is he 8th already? He's 8th! Radish Man is 8th place in Pinecones. Wait, that's insane. That's Chrome is fast and fast. Then it's Minty. And it's X. There's only There's only 7 people in front of this guy. And 583 people that have less Pinecones than him. Guys, it's 591 minus 8. I don't know, alright? Oh, it's such a dumb death. I do need to do some cleanup time. That's for sure. Oh, where'd the click go? It's so annoying. I like did it, but like it didn't do the thing. Penis. You know what I got? Chestnuts. Chat, I got chestnuts. Ah! Ho! Yo, you're not right, dude. Thanks for following, friend. W follow in chat. I want to see W follow in chat. If you guys don't think it's a W follow, what are you guys doing? Oh, that was my fault. Chat. Oh, you're... Okay, it's easy to get to 7, Radisman, but getting to 6 is gonna be pretty tough. You have to double your bond clones. Ah, boy. Yummy, boy. Chestnuts. Yummy. Why am I double speed? That's not right. It is wild how inconsistent I am. Like, I literally couldn't do the freaking slaughterhouse pre-drop. Bro, literally, I feel like I'm doing the main levels again. I couldn't do the slaughterhouse. No, not the entire thing. That would be hard, but just the pre-drop. Just the pre-drop. I'm looking at stream. It's so easy, come on. I can't do this, chat. I need CBF. I mean, I don't blame my death there because that's the thing where for some reason it shouldn't be possible, but it's possible to survive and get to this section without hitting the... Without hitting... Without hitting this. Like, for some reason, you go under it. I don't know how it's possible, but it happens. And then you just go out 4 times speed, and it's impossible. It's pretty annoying, because it just makes it so you can't play it. And it's completely random whether it just doesn't work or not. It's similar to, like, the purple pad. No, I passed it. It's similar to the purple pad. I just want to show you guys I can't get there. Let's try to go from 0. It is a waste of attempts. Just because it's so inconsistent. And that is, you know how bad this is gonna, like, all of this ship control is gonna be without CBF? I mean, I'm cooked. I just don't want to. I just need to keep my practice going just to be the same level of skill. But I can't. I can't beat it because of parts like what I just died to, which is the ship section. Where, like, it's so much. Here's the thing, if I learned the level without CBF, I would be better than I am now. And that's because so often CBS is turned off and I'm warming up without CBF on, and I turn it on and off, and I'm just doing all these different things. And then when I had full screen windowed on for my entire GD career, making half of the effect of CBF not do anything in the first place, because I don't have it set up for windowed gaming, and all these different things, just making it so basically I think I had something, but I didn't. And then having to get used to all these different things. The reason Bloodlust took so long when it was at 98%, and then I just, you know, kept taking so long, is because I switched from my mouse, which was 500 hertz, to, so basically, yeah, 500 hertz, to my brother's mouse, which was 1000 hertz, because my original mouse was broken, where it's on a different angle, so I had to learn how to click differently, to the Seo device, where not only did I have to learn to click differently, but it was an entire different system, where in general my timings were better, but now my wave is bad, and I just kept dying to wave. Change, just like, this is the issue. I keep having to get used to different things, new things. How could I have messed up that sentence so bad? I keep having to get used to new things. And that's happening right now. I don't have, not only do I not have a CBF, but there's this delay thing. There's this delay difference when I did have it on, because I had full screen windowed, which gave me an extra 2 frames of delay. So I had to get used to that. Well, that's just what I've been playing with the entire time, thinking, yep, this is CBF, when I only had like half of the effect. And it feels like learning a new language, which sucks because it's just quadrupling my attempts every single new hardest I do. Like, I remember there's Precipitants, my worst mistake of a level to go for. Took me 17,000 attempts, more than Cataclysm. Way more than Cataclysm. When it's an easier level. simply because I was playing on 60 FPS the entire time and I had no idea. So I was basically beating a ship demon. 60 FPS is worst nightmare. I was being a ship extreme demon on 60 FPS. Not only am I not used to 60 FPS, but it was set to 144 FPS, but the reason it was 60 FPS was because of lag. Therefore, it isn't normal 60 FPS, which would have been better than what I had, because if it's lag, it's all over the place. So it's 60 FPS, 30 FPS, and then 90 FPS, and then random amounts of FPS. That keeps changing the physics of the ship mid-level, making it extremely random. Which is why 1 in 3 attempts I would make it to the 65% ship, and 1 in 10 attempts I would pass that. 1 in 3 attempts I made it to 60%. That's hilarious. That's stupid. That's just a triple click though. Why that? It's just a triple click. Can I not die to the staircase? Would have died anyways. Yeah, the worst part about the delay change that I'm getting used to is that when I'm entering not just this gravity portal but all the gravity portals in this ship section, that delay makes a massive change on the angle you enter. A massive change on the angle after you enter the thing, which is basically what this section is based off of. What angle do you come out of after the thing? Like that, if you can't go too low, you can't click too late, right? But if you click too early, you go too high. And so that's completely off of timing, and that's the thing. It's so like unclear. Though this is just for GD in general, it's unclear. If you were to see like a muted, if you were to just see a clip of a ship going upwards in GD, and you were to have to place where you think they made the click that makes them start going upwards, that's a lot more difficult to decide than if you were to do that for wave. Like if you were to mute my audio right now, and if I were to go into a new level. If I go to a new level with with ship, if you were to mute my audio, then you were to see like this, you'd have to try to take a guess when I clicked, right? That's very difficult. But if it's something like wave and you want to like take a guess where I clicked, where do you think I clicked, right? So that's the thing that makes, even though it feels like you have maybe like a triple spike worth of time, which that's very easy, right? It's so hard to judge. That's the thing with ship. It's so hard to judge when to start and stop. And that's the issue with the change I've had recently, is that I did the full screen thing, so I lost 2 entire frames worth of delay, and now I got used to that within a month. I finally got used to it, and now CBF is gone, so now I'm getting used to what it was like before, and that affects this part the most. So I basically learned Tartarus, and I realized I was doing it wrong, so I had to unlearn it and then relearn it, and now CBF is gone, so I have to unlearn it again and relearn it, and that's going to be back, and then once again I'm going to have to unlearn it and relearn it. I know I'm very unclear when I'm talking, just because I'm locking in. But I got the message across, I think. But yes, this phenomenon usually adds 20,000 attempts. Where I just gain consistency, then lose consistency because I have no choice. And then gain consistency again. And that's happening 3 times. 4 times. Well, like 2. I have to unlearn it twice and then relearn it twice. Huh? Huh? It's shooting me out of the portal too low, making it impossible to click out. Why is that happening? that's the thing with this level. You can technically pass the timing, but that, like, you can pass the timing, but like half of the time, if you're like too high or too low, it makes the next timing impossible. So you can pass it, but it makes the next part impossible. So like, you're still gonna die.